Zero water pressure W1081 intelligent smart toilet. New generation zero water pressure smart toilet with dual core drive. Hilk owned intellectual property. Stop worrying low water pressure problem. Even in a high floors, also have a strong cleansing power. Zero water pressure time is coming. Equipped with dual core drive system, water consumption is only 3 liter. Water saving, the flushing and cleaning is fully guaranteed. Perfectly solve the common problem of insufficient flushing power for smart toilets. No water pressure requirements. Zero water pressure toilet. Say goodbye to low water pressure. Low water pressure, you don't have to worry anymore. Even toilet in the high floors, even water pressure is low, even water supply is cut off. Zero water pressure time is coming. Perfectly solve the common problem of insufficient flushing power. 2-piece water pump built-in inside. Pump assists to make flush powerful. It has a stronger cleansing power. Least water use, most flushing power, clean toilet bowl thoroughly. Saving water. Water efficiency second grade, water consumption 4.3 liter only. The flushing and cleaning is fully guaranteed, fully ensuring the flushing.